Hello everyone, welcome to Medicine Global. Today we are discussing some previous year questions of the ethics. Here the first question on your screen now. Which one of the following is not characteristic of good governance and e-governance that are closely linked and depend on each other? You can take 5 seconds for this question because if you know the correct answer then you can give this answer in only 4 to 5 seconds. Otherwise you cannot answer these theoretical questions. So here let me tell you the answer. The answer will be option C, consciousness. The detailed solution is also given here. You can take a screenshot if you want. Now moving towards the next question. The question number 2 was also asked in 2020. So here the question is, the basic difference between a professional and an amateur is. So as you can see here, the question from the ethics are sometimes too much easier and sometimes too much difficult from the ethics portion. So yes, you can read the books for the ethics, but you have to use your general knowledge or your common sense for the questions of the ethics. So here the answer will be option A is correct answer, which states that a professional is someone who is connected with a job that needs special training or skill, while an amateur is someone who works in multi-dimensions without any specialization. So in the ASC examination, you have to keep one thing in mind, that is, you have to manage your time according to the questions, because here most of the questions you can solve in 4 to 5 seconds based on your knowledge and based on your IQ. So you have to skip that questions which require more time, because there are 100 questions in 2 hours. Now the third question is, the basic ethical principle of beneficence states that. You can think for some time here. 4 options are given. So yes, here the correct option is once again option A is correct answer. All our thoughts and the actions must be directed to ensure that others benefit from these thoughts and the actions. Now let's move towards the next question. Here the fourth question is, which one of the following is not the skill needed in the workplace of the future for inventive thinking using information and communication technology in education? Here 4 options are given. 3 of them are the skills needed for inventive thinking, but one option is incorrect. So you have to choose the incorrect one, because here the question is which is not required. So here the correct answer is responsibility. Option B is correct option for this question. So as you can see here, these 4 skills are required for the innovative thinking in digital age. Adaptability or ability to manage, then curiosity or desire to know as fuel for lifelong learning, then after creativity, and the last one is risk taking. So you can take a screenshot if you want. Now moving towards the next question. Question number 5. Utilitarianism in the professions ethics is. Here the 4 options are given. You can think for some while. So yes, option D is correct. A judgment of an action by consequences of that action, that is known as utilitarianism. So remember this word. This word is new for most of the students. Now moving towards the next question. Question number 6, which was asked in 2020. In the professional ethics, the degree of safety proposed to be attained varies with. Here 4 options are there. Here you have to think critically, because option B and C are similar. So I'll give you a hint. From these 2 options, one option is correct. Now think critically. So yes, option B is correct for this question, which is cost of risks, then design and the utility. Now the next question is question number 7. Which of the following are the main functions of WTO? Here first of all you have to know that what is WTO. Here WTO stands for World Trade Organization, and these all three are the main functions of the WTO. So here the correct option is option D. Option 1, 2 and 3, all three are correct. Now the next question is, the philosophical study of beliefs and knowledge is better known as. Here four options are there. Option A, ontology, then epistemology, then entomology and etymology. So yes, here the correct answer is option B, which is epistemology, which is related with the study of knowledge. You can take a screenshot of these three different words also. Now moving towards the next question, which is, one branch of ethical philosophy claims that it is possible to know right from wrong or good from bad in a very clear and objective manner is called. Four options are given here. Once again, this question is from basics portion. So yes, the correct answer is option C, cognitivism. Now let's move towards the next question, question number 10. Here consider the following statements regarding the engineering ethics. Four options are given here. First one is, it is the activity of understanding the moral values. Then second one is, it revolves the moral issues and justifies the moral judgments. Then third one is, it would refer to the set of specifically moral problems and issues related to engineering. So here you have to choose the correct statements from the above statements. So yes, here option A will be correct. All three options are correct for this question. Now let's move towards the next question. Which of the following are the attributes of a profession? Here first one is, the work requires sophisticated skills, use of judgment and exercise of discretion. Then second one is, membership in the profession does not require extensive formal education as well as practical training. Then third one is, there are set of standards for admission to the profession and conduct for members. Then fourth one is, significant public good results from practice of the profession. Here you have to select the correct answer using the codes given below. So you can think for some seconds here. Here the correct answer is option C. Here the second statement is wrong and all the other statements are right given here in this question, because this question is related with the profession. So these three statements are correct, because as you all know, for the profession you need to require the practical training as well as some important skills for the membership in the profession. This question was asked in the ESE 2019. Now let's move towards the next question. When should whistleblowing be attempted? Here four options are there. First one is, there must be a clear and great harm that can be avoided. Then second one is, the whistleblower must be in clear position to report on the problem. Then third one is, the whistleblower must have a reasonable chance of success in stopping the harmful activity. And the last one is, the whistleblower feels that all other lines of the action within the context of the organization have been explored and shut off. Here you have to select the correct options. So once again, here for this question, all four options are correct for the whistleblowing. This question was also asked in the year 2018. So this type of assertion type or the correct statements type questions were asked so many times in the examination. You need to just be conceptually strong. Now let's move towards the next question. PQLI is based on, these four options are given. So first of all, you have to know what is the full form of PQLI. So as you can see here, PQLI stands for Physical Quality of Life Index. So here, based on these four options, option A, infant mortality, life expectancy and adult literacy rate. This is correct for this question. Now let's move towards the next question. HDI is better index of development because these four options are given. Option A, GDP growth may not consider the personal growth situations. Then It takes into consideration reduction of poverty. Then option C, it covers income, health and education aspects of development. And option D, it covers promotion of growth. So here the correct option is option C. Now let's move towards the next question. IPR protects the use of information and ideas that areas of. Four options are here. Option A, ethical value. Option B, moral value. Option C, social value. And option D, commercial value. You can think for 2 to 3 seconds because this is very easy question related with IPR. Yes, here the correct answer is option D, commercial value. Now let's move towards the next question. A whistleblower is someone who. These are four options. Option A, visual classical music. Then option B, inform on any illegal, unethical or corrupt activity going on in the organization. And the option C is it is adept in whistling. And option D is boasts about himself or herself. So here the correct answer will be option B. Similar to this type of question was asked in 2019 also. So this is important concept, whistleblower. Now the next question is, what is nepotism? This is also very easy question. Option A is undermining the moral of workers. Then option B is harassment of women workers. Option C, being autocratic and decision making. Then option D is hiring friends or relative and showing favorism in the work. So yes, option D is definitely the correct answer for this question because nepotism is related with the favorism, or you can say that the favoritism. So this is all about some important questions from the ethics portion. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to our channel for the upcoming videos, and please share this video to the maximum study groups. Thank you so much.